Maybe I should really take my time before actually pressing start stream, but oh well. Okay, hello, here I am. I want to make Elena as an avatar. I already have Ryudo as an avatar in VR chat. There we go. Actually, one thing I probably still would like to look at is I added Sky, which is cool, right? But Sky has bones. But I just realized I don't have them. I don't have them smart. Or like parented. But what if I do this? Let's say play. Damn, takes a lot long. Oh yeah, because I still have that inside, I guess. Time to get rid of this. I wonder why it's doing so much. Maybe it's because of Gogo Loco. Anyways, now if I move... Okay, the wing is doing the very weird, so I'll just get rid of it, who cares? It's fine the way it is. Hi Xena. Hello. What? Why are you still that big? Can I change your viewpoint from viewport display octahedral? That's already correct. I think this is the thing, yeah. So I will hide you. Why do we have two meshes? NJ Tax. How's it going? You hanging with the peeps inside talk. I saw that. I was thinking about joining, but then I figured I know if I'm in a voice call with somebody, I cannot get anything done. And I wanted to get some stuff done, so I didn't join. So instead, I started the stream, and hopefully I can get some stuff done. We'll see. Texture. Look at that. It's Elena. Although I do want to use the texture from here. And that is the same thing anyways. Oh, interesting. You can get rid of all of that stuff. Is that sometimes... Is this ever visible like this in the game? I wouldn't remember. Maybe that's the part that is like double-sided. Oh, that makes sense. That's so smart. Unless... That's not entirely true. I don't know. I'll just join it. I don't think there's a reason for me to remove this. Or is there? Probably not. I can't work on editing with people in the call too. Yeah, me neither. I can't do... This counts as multitasking to me. Then I'm focused on the conversation, not on doing stuff. Yeah, no, we'll just have the default element. That's fine enough. Good, the texture is here, that's good. Is there anything else that I need to do here? I don't think so, I hope not. Here, let's join you. We'll call you body. What is you? Okay, just delete it. We don't need that. Amateur. Amateur. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, now we have to check a couple of things. Also, I don't remember. What did I do with... Okay, so that is still correct, yeah. So this is confirmed not doing anything. We can delete them. Goodbye. I want to check what I did with Ryudo. Are these the clothes? What do you mean? The bones are not clothes. The grey drops, no. These are bones. This is the clothes are on the body. This is the bones that will control everything. I have zero idea. Yeah, that's fine. There it's a bit better visualized. Oh yeah, true, I should do it like this then and get rid of the vertex, the wireframe. There, we have like, you know, bone here controls the arm, bone here controls the elbow, bone here controls the wrist, bone here controls the leg, bone here controls this. And then you also have bones for hair to move around, or anything that's, you know, moving. For the backpack can jiggle around technically a bit, and this in the back. Everything that's moving is a bone. And the way it is ripped from the game files is wonky. Or like, it's not wonky, no, it's not made for Unity, it's made for 1999 software for Dreamcast. So the way they handle the armature is a bit different, but all the information we need is here, and we can fix it. Just need to figure out which bone is necessary and which isn't. So this is... How would you call this? These pink thingies? Ribbon? Skirt? It's not a skirt. Sleeve? But on the pants? Ribbon maybe is fine. Ribbon, I guess? Yeah, maybe. Let's call it ribbon. Ribbon L1. Ribbon L2. Ribbon R1. Ribbon R2. Okay, then we have left toes, right toes, left ankle, right ankle. This is left knee, right knee. We can maybe hide all the ones that... Oh, actually, well... yeah, let's hide them for now. Positioning them I'll do later. I just realized there's more bones here that I didn't see yet. Look, there's small bones here. For controlling that stuff. What's the difference between this and this bone? I guess just the position for where it's rotating? Wait. I don't know. We'll have to figure that out in a second. This does not do anything. Well, technically it's control used for setting the position for weapons and stuff like that in the game, but we don't do that. We don't have access to any of the weapons, so we don't care. Oh, there we go. That's also part of the ribbon. Oh, damn it. Okay. I should have checked more properly. Ribbon. Oh, but it's fine. We can call it 0. Haha! Good that I started with 1 and not with 0, because the 0 is actually here. This is all useless stuff. Shift G, children, delete bones. Then this is ribbon R0. Hide. What are you? The wrist. And I guess you're the wrist too. Oh, but yeah, it's so weird. What on the right hand they had some additional stuff that I'm not sure about. Left wrist. Because look at that. What do we have here? Actually, Elena even has thumbs. That's crazy. Ryuda only has fists. I think technically there was supposed to be some other stuff as well, but I don't know. We'll just get rid of it. Don't think I need it. Okay. Oh wait, there's... Oh, I forgot. Yeah, right. There's multiple bones in here. Yeah, that's the annoying thing, because there's like 5 different bones in here. Oh, like 3, not 5. I'm sorry, I was exaggerating. Right. So this is the actual wrist. So we can delete you. Okay, now we're back to default stuff. Good. This is gonna be the right wrist. Yeah, it's too boring. Oh, look at that! It's, well, the front part of some sort of skirt type of thing. What do I do with this? I'm not sure yet. I think I'll have to figure this out. I think I'll just weight paint it to the legs in the end. Probably makes more sense. We can still name it though. For now. Or no, we'll name it for now. Skirt front. And I think this is okay, yeah. Left leg, right leg. Okay. How much effort do I want to put into all of this? I'm really not sure. Front ribbon L. Front ribbon R. It's always a matter of scope. It's so terrible. Like here, yesterday, some point in the past few days, I don't remember what day exactly, I was going crazy over this bird because I already had Ryudo finished, but Ryudo and Sky kind of belong together, and I wanted to add Sky sitting on the shoulder. I wanted to make him able to sit on the wrist, and that's all easy, no problem. But then I wanted to make him able to fly. You know, that when you're running around, he's not just statically on your shoulder, but instead able to fly around and follow you slowly, and maybe, you know, have some additional stuff. And it's probably I can probably do it if I spend like 2 or 3 hours figuring it out, but I kind of didn't want to do that at the time, so instead I procrastinated for like 10 hours not doing anything. Because the scope was too high. Gotta set a realistic scope, stuff that you can actually finish, that you're motivated to finish. And that's sometimes very difficult. But hey, now I just managed to ignore it. Now he's just able to sit on the shoulder and on the wrist. So that's good. And same thing here. I mean, all of that stuff is also, like, the stuff here is at least not difficult. It's just like, do I want to spend extra 5 minutes? Is it worth it or not? Ah, okay, yeah, so that makes sense. How did I call the other thing? Skirt front. Oh. Yeah, let's call you skirt front 0, I guess, for now. Maybe I should go from top to bottom. But the way the things are, yeah. Thinking about it, I probably should join all the meshes together and get rid of the duplicate vertices stuff. Because otherwise this might be really awkward and weird. There has to be something that's, yeah, there we go, that's for this. So there we have skirt, skirt, skirt. Okay. I'll call this skirt. This kind of makes sense. Skirt L. Skirt back. And skirt R. Zoop, zoop, zoop. Okay. Left elbow. Right elbow. It's like the amulet type of thing. Yeah. How do you call amulet in English? Just
amulet.
Amulet, okay, there we go. What are you? Ah, the hips! I found the hips! I think you're probably nothing. Oh, never mind, you are something. Hips. Right, oh, I remember, because there is no chest. Oh, I put more effort into Ryudo than I remembered. Right, so you do nothing. You can delete. You are the skirt, no, ribbon. R0. But we already have ribbon R0. God damn it. Why is it disconnected? The body? Everything is disconnected. That's just how, you know, models were made in the past to save a lot of resources. It's very difficult making good connections and smooth. So what they kind of did is they made blocks. So, you know, here the toes aren't connected to the actual foot. The foot isn't connected to the leg. The knee is not connected to the leg. The arms as well, you know, you kind of just move them away. That's just how things were built kind of back then, to save up on resources and have easier transitions. Yeah, I guess, kinda. Okay, so which one is the real one here now? Will the real Slim Shady please show up? Wait, I'm lost now. And newer models are done differently because of time effort. I mean, it's also a stylistic choice and resources. See, in the past, look, okay. Look at this. This thing has, oh wait, why is it not shown here? Scene statistics. This thing has 990 triangles. Triangles is like polygons, faces. That's sub 1000 triangles. It's very boxy. Because back then, you really had to keep everything low poly to make anything look good. The only thing back then to make things look decent was good textures. You had a very, very basic object and 3D model. Very basic 3D model. Almost no shading, because shading is also really expensive. The only way to make things look good was textures. There, textures. And nowadays, you know, you can have a million triangles and it's kind of fine. And therefore you can make things smooth. If we go here, let me show you on yours. Did you think about the names yet? Any idea? Wait, do I have that? Here, let's go here. Well, it's essentially the same thing, right? You still have a mesh, and you have bones, and the bones connect everything. But instead of, you know, having blocks sticking together, you have a lot more geometry. Here. There's a lot more, like this arm alone is probably more than the entire model from Grandia. And therefore you can, if we show the wireframe, it's kind of not ideally visible, but whatever. You know, things bend. They're connected. They bend. That's how things work in real life too. So because of the better graphics and more performance of the PC, there are more polygons. Yeah, basically. Exactly. It's cool that the elbow is not pointy, but round. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You still sometimes use this type of technique for robots and sci-fi stuff, from what I know. I mean, I'm not an expert either, right? I'm just a self-proclaimed VR chat avatar creator that does stuff there, I guess. What is ribbon R0? Oh. Oh no. Wait, what? I'm lost. Can I do this here too? No. Select parent? Sibling length? Prefix? Suffix? Why can I not select the parent? Why can I only select children? Wait, there's one more down here? I didn't even see that. I thought about the names. I think I like Zuri. Sounds good. We can name her like that. Or it. That's also so funny with thinking about pronouns in relation to avatars. Is it a person? Is it the avatar? Very interesting. So, but I think, hold on. Is it not? Where? Which? What? I'm a little lost. Here. Let me get rid of you. No, I want to keep you. Left wrist, you can go away as well. Okay, so we have ribbon L0, ribbon R0. Those are correct. What about this? Yeah, that's also just that thing. What are you? Why do you exist? Is there no bone for that on the other side? It's not like it matters, I think. It's just... like... it's just not there. It doesn't exist. Okay. Is there really no way to select a parent? That would be so nice. Immediate children, siblings. Wait, what is this? What is this tiny bone here? It doesn't do anything, okay. Oh, I'm kind of scared. I think I messed up. Yeah, you're not supposed to move those around. Oh, but this seems to be the same, but it's like super weird. There's multiple down here. Why are you here? You're tiny. What is your purpose? There we go, that's the other thing. Okay, I found it. But why are you so tiny? Here, look at your big brother. It's so big. I'll just call you ribbon L00. There we go. 0001. 2. Okay. But I do want to. I can't leave you like this. You gotta go bigger, man. Scale 100. Scale 10. Scale 5. Does it matter? I guess technically I do want you to be scaled up until kind of the same height as the other one. Doesn't really matter, but okay. What? Okay. Where was I? Okay, here. Okay, we have this. We have this. I should save so I don't mess anything up. We can have this. We already had you. We had you. We had you. We had you. Hips. I wonder if I should have already merged them. I feel like it's probably easier to just remake them. Ah, whatever. This is also a ribbon, back ribbon. Back ribbon. I think I'll just number them. I don't care. It really doesn't matter what they're named. Okay, then I have all of you. Hips are already here. Then this is the real hip. But I will have to kinda mess with things a little bit. I forgot how I did that with Ryu though. I'll just manually do it, I guess. For now I'll just keep the base structure. Even though it might change now. Spine, chest. This is gonna be the neck, and this is... What are you? Oh. How do you call this? Back... A cape. It's gonna be the cape. It's not really a cape, but I'll call it cape. Ah, the head is down here. Little cape, yeah. So it's gonna be the neck. Oh yeah, my bad, yeah. Oh, then this... Do we have the arm already? Or just elbow? Yeah, okay. Left arm. And I think we didn't have shoulder. If I remember correct from Ryu, though. Right arm. It's kind of cute little puffs here. Or cloak. I mean, cloak would go all the way around. No, I think cape is better. Cape is in the back. What is this? Is this gonna be the shoulder? Why do you have a bone? What are you? Left. Let's just call it shoulder for now. I don't care. Is that a flower? It looks more like a mushroom. Or like a gem. It looks like a gem. Okay, what's the head? There's gonna be a billion bones in here again. Okay, this is not like half of the head. Let's say head. Hide. This is the entire head, I guess. And this is also the other half of the head. Real head. And this is the not face. That look cursed. There's a lot of cursed. Yeah. There's a lot of curses when working on organic stuff in 3D models. And especially also in VR chat with tracking and yeah. Backside of the head, not head. Yeah. Oh look, even the hair. But I'm not gonna make that. Am I gonna animate that? Oh, it's gonna look so weird though, I think. No, this will be static. For Ryu though, it kinda made sense, you know? The spikes is okay. It's like a little bit away from the head, you can animate that. I mean, even there I wasn't too happy. You know, here I have... let's change it like this. Well, that's weird. You know, the hair can wiggle around a little bit. Wounds! Hello. Your name is very hard to read on my screen. Look at that. It's so dark on dark. But yeah, greetings. It's fine, don't worry, don't worry. I exercise for my eyes. You know, Airbnb, I still bring friends to your Haven world. Oh, that's nice to hear. I'm glad you enjoy it. Just recently I was showing some stuff to some other people. Ah, there's so many cool things that you can do and that I want to do. Ah. Yeah, let's have a look at the stats. I haven't looked at the stats of the world in a while. We close to 50,000 visits, 1,000 favorites. Cool, 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 cool. I'm probably 20, 30 of those. I've been there a lot as well. Okay, what? Nah, the head. No, the hair is gonna be part of the head. I don't want to bother. To be honest, I'm making so unnecessary. Oh, the earrings! They can move though. Okay, we can leave the earrings moving. That's great. Okay, I like that. Earring L. Earring R. This is probably not necessary. Man, if you made the hair flow on this, that would be nuts. Probably a little jank to make work though. Yeah, I mean, you know, I don't think it would look good. You know, some stuff would be probably okay, but you know, this, you know, I could make it move, but I think it's just gonna look bad. It's simply just gonna look, yeah, yeah. It does make more sense to be still. So I think I'm just gonna delete the bones already and just paint it to the head. Yeah. So, head assign. Boom. I'm terribly sorry, but do I know you under a different name? I mean, Wounds is familiar, but I don't have much memories right now. I wonder if I have more memories with a different name. Okay, we have that. Right. Oh, this thing. Yeah, I think I don't want that either. It's Optima. Okay, yeah, sure. That makes that I do remember that a lot more. Yeah, yeah, of course. I do remember it's Optima. I just didn't connect Wounds to its Optima. And wasn't a furry yet. Are you a furry now? Welcome to the club. Well, I still wouldn't really say I'm a furry. I enjoy fairy avatars, that's what I say. Yeah, I got an emu dog Sona. Damn. Okay. So technically, oh, and how do we call this? Headband? Headband left, yeah. We call that headband L, and then we have headband R. Okay. Good thing we technically... Oh, it took already way longer than I wanted to. Anyways. Save, we renamed all of the stuff. Now we can put it into position. We turn on mirroring, and now we can kind of put them in places where it would make a bit more sense. I wonder if I want to have them connected. Probably not. Also, I should really change that to... Where is it? Viewport display? No, here. Cathedral? No, where was it? Visibility? Ah, there. Wire. There we go. I kinda feel in. I want more action in the music. Okay. The good thing is now, because I renamed everything, that means I can mirror it, so I can move one of them and the other one will get moved too, because that's based on the name. With like LR, then it's possible to mirror it. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to symmetrize it like that. Left leg. Go down here. It doesn't really matter where the end position is. I could also leave them wherever they were. But it's visually more pleasing to have it like that. No! I wasn't sure if it works like this. I messed up. That's unfortunate. Let's do it like this then. It's annoying about A. It's been too long since I've done that, so I forgot. Do I want to make them connected? I feel like there's gotta be a way. Blender connect bone to child. No, wrong. Don't connect the child to the parent, connect the parent to the child. Yeah, connect parent bone tail to child head. Hold on, there's some stuff I'd like to connect the tail of a parent bone to the head of the child bone because it looks more organized. This is how it currently looks like and how it should look like. Yeah, exactly what I want. Since there's a lot of bones involved, I'd like to make this programmatically in Python to save time. I tried to override the tail property of a bone, but it didn't save it or something. Nothing changed. In recent years, Blender has made .bones read-only, requiring .edit bones to set position. Okay, parent to children. For bone in, edit bones if bone parent is not none. If bone parent dot name in parent to children. Okay, then you have to select them like this. Oh no. I want to understand this. Also, let me see if there's something better. Parenting. No, but this is exactly what I want. So I'll just have to sit down and think for a little bit. It's been 5 years, but it's okay. It's still Python, should still work. Ah, and then that's probably the selection in the end. Old but gold, I guess. Yeah. If it works. The thing is, I might even want to try and... I did at some point make my own Blender add-on. I don't have it actually anymore. This would be very useful for a lot of stuff. Like I had to use this a couple of times already. So if I make this like a proper add-on, this could be very useful for me. I just want to understand what it does first. Okay, so we take all the edit bone. What is edit bones? Maybe all the bones selected in edit mode. I guess that would make sense. Maybe we'll try and do stuff. Can I change this to Python console? There we go. Okay. Let's put this here. Let's put this here. And let's try to make stuff. Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking too. I would like to... First of all, let's try to execute this and see what happens. Parent to children is not defined. Okay. Maybe... Let's... Just for the sake of testing, right? We move those away like this. Okay. I select these. I paste this code. Nothing happens. Okay. Assuming we take the entire thing. It did it for all of them. Doesn't matter what is selected. Okay, that's good to know. So the selection doesn't matter. It did what I wanted. Right? It did exactly what I wanted, which is great. So I know the code works. Now I would like to understand it. First of all, we define parent to children. For each bone in the armature, if bone.parent is not none. So if this bone is the child of this, so if you have a parent, oh, because you need the position of the child in order to set the tail of the parent. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so we get all the children for now. Yeah, parent to children. Okay, yeah. It's an array. Is that an array? I don't know. We'll find out. If bone.parent is not none. Okay. We take all the children. If bone.parent.name in parent to children, which it won't be because, you know, we don't have that yet. There's nothing in there, it's empty. Take all the children. Yeah. They take things in context, especially with all type of 3D modeling. You know, the same thing. You have bones in your hair, in your hips, but well, you do have bones in your hips. In your breast, you know, you have bones everywhere. Doesn't make sense. Or shootings as well for filmmaking, right? You do a lot of shootings. Could also be quite a bit different in some other contexts. Okay. This is still empty. We have a bone. If bone has a parent, then we check if the parent's name is in there. That is true. That is very much true. I agree. Then parent to children. Ah, wait. Bone dot. Aha. Append bone. Will it also? I will find out. Else children to parent bone dot parent name equals bone. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So here, for now, for the first run through, we do nothing but just add all the children to parent to children. All the bones that are a child. There we go. For name in parent to children, so we have all the children. If the length... Why the length? Of parent to children dot name equals 1. Ah, yeah, makes sense. Okay, makes sense. Because, right, you have to ignore the parents with multiple children. That makes a lot of sense. Right, so if it only has one child... Oh, that's so smart. So this function only defines how many children does each parent bone have. And then if it only has one, then we say parent equals edit bone's name. Name is, in that case, the parent bone. Yeah, the parent becomes the parent. Makes sense. And then we say the tail of the parent becomes... The code only affects a parent with an only child, yes. Because what if you have two children? Let's say, you know, I have two bones here. Do I parent into this or to this? I don't know. If I have two children, what am I gonna do? I don't know. So I can only do this if I only have one child. So you have all the parents, and then parent.tail equals parent to children name 0.head. Wait, let me think about that. No, I don't think I understand this. Parent.tail. Parent.to children. I would like to, but I don't know if I can print stuff out properly. What is this? Why 0? We have parent to children name. Here we have the same thing. Oh, but we need, in case there's more. Wait, no? Should only have one. I'm starting to not really understand it properly anymore. I hate that. I would like to print stuff. Anyways, let's try. So we have this, we paste this, we do all of that, but then you have to watch out to not accidentally have another parent plus only child somewhere else. I don't think that's gonna be much of a problem. Usually you don't. And I was thinking about making this an add-on where it only does this for selected bones. So you select all the bones you want to connect. Okay, but this is already correct here. It's been so long since I did something with a Blender add-on. It's been a long time. What is this? A script to fix the length tail of any selected bones and connect the child. Wait, so this is like a simpler version of the entire thing? Wait, let me see. Okay, because now I didn't have anything selected. Now if I select this... Yeah. So this is a simpler version of the entire thing, and it only takes the selected bones and does it for those. Let's try to look at that. You take each bone out of the selected editable bones. If bone.children is not none. Bone.tail equals bone.children. The first child dot head. Oh, this is so simple. And bone children 0 dot use connect 1. This is simple. But okay, what is this thing and doing in addition? This will also connect any children after the adjustment. So the parent and child joint stays together. Parents with more than one child ignore. But wait, what's the difference between the code? Hold on. I'm a little lost. We do this. List index out of range. Okay, this throws an error apparently sometimes. So maybe this makes more sense. Longer code probably makes more sense. Shall we just use it and ignore? Okay, let's do that. How do we make a Blender add-on again? I forgot. It's very simple if I remember. Let's blend. How to make a Blender add-on. There we go. Blend add-ons. Yeah, okay. We do... What is an add-on? Python module with some additional requirements so Blender can display it in a list with useful information. The simplest possible add-on. Blender info, my test add-on. Is a dictionary containing add-on metadata such as title, version, author, okay? Is a function which only runs when enabling the add-on? Ah, okay, but now you can't actually do anything. Takes the body of the script above and adds it to an operator execute function. Yeah, this is what we need, I think, the layout. Ah. No, but I don't want that. I would like to find my previous add-on that I had. Let me see if I can find that. I did put it somewhere, but I... Is it somewhere here still? Like, or I think it's add-ons? How did they even call it? I forgot how I called it. It's been so long. Is there one thing that's like modified later or earlier? Mesh 2F? No, that's all something else. Render copy. How did I fix material is what I called it, I think. Something like that. Materials? I don't think it's here. Where did I put it? I don't think I have it. Is it here? No. Is it in modules? No. Presets? No. Was it here? I'm so lost. I would like to find my previous add-on that I did. It's probably on the old stuff still. Do I maybe have it here? Scripts. Ah, okay, that's something else. Where else? Tutorials. Something else. That's something else. Blender experiments. Oh yeah, that's something else as well. Backups. Something else. Okay, I don't think I find it here anymore. Okay, let's revert to ChatGPT. It's a very simple thing. I don't want to, but I do want to. It makes things just so much faster, probably. Okay. This is more than I remember, but it probably is all I need. Yeah. Yeah, let's give it a try. Shall we? Three D view, sidebar, my tools. Okay. Where do I put this? I should really make like a folder for all my coding endeavors. I have that here. We'll do that here. Blender add-ons. There we go. New text document. How do I call this? Connect parent to child. Connect parent to child dot py. Add it with Notepad. We paste in all of that. Now we go here. We kind of take this. Yeah, can I? Yes. Okay, technically this might work already. Let's give it a try. Preferences. Install from disk. Okay. So this is here. I'm here. Now we have this, run my code. Okay, good. So far, so good. We go here. I will also just unhide everything just to have that. Boom. There we go. Oh, it feels like cheating. It is like cheating. There we go, that's my code. Name, my simple add-on is how it's called. Connect parent to child. There we go. But let's do it with spacebars. Minimum 3, I don't know. It really doesn't matter. Let's take 3. No, 2.8. Ah, 3 is good. Yeah, object is good. My name. RB. Version, yeah. Parents, all. What? Connect all parent bones tails to their child's head position. Okay, good. My function is not actually my function, but the function this kind soul Richard Ulz posted. Is there something like credits that I can do? I'll just use it for myself anyways. There we go. Then we have the code in here that's doing all the things it should do. Class object OT my operator. Tooltip, what this button does. Ah. Yeah, we just copy this again. ID name. My operator. It's a little bit janky naming, but makes sense because, well. Run my code. It's gonna be connect bones. We can undo that. That's important. But the past add-on I did was way simpler. This has a bunch of additional stuff. My panel, okay, that's important for adding it. My add-on panel, I think that's here, yeah. I don't even know how to call that. It's okay, we can just do it like this. My tools, honestly, it's fine. Like this, okay. Can I... Preferences, we uninstall this. Yes, goodbye. Now we install again. Take this again. Okay, we have that. Good. Now we have my tools. Connect bones. Can click that. Woohoo! Okay, cool. Let's get rid of that. And now I realize it's way later than I wanted it to be. God damn it. But hey, at least we have stuff a bit simpler now. Something that's weird is like this stuff down here, but it was weird to begin with from the start. Okay. Wait, I think I know actually maybe what the weird thing was. No. It's okay, I think. Can I undo? Just gotta make sure that the bones actually stay at their correct positions. Yeah. It only moves the tail. Good! Then we have that. And I think I'm gonna end the stream now. Success. Success, success. Still quite a bit more effort to actually get this in game, because we need to I probably want to make these a bit more do I want to make them more smooth? Oh, that's gonna be difficult. Do I want to keep the original jankiness, or do I want to make things, you know, just because this would be very easy to make smooth. Right, like now this, I can make this move around and you know, move with you when you're moving, it wouldn't be a big problem. I could easily, like, if I go here and say just you. Oh, also I should still do merge by this. Oh, merge by distance. And now I need to check if the face orientation is correct. Hello? Why do I only see it for like a bunch of things? Huh? Huh? Why do I only see the face orientation for like these? Shouldn't it be everywhere? Huh? Okay, Google. Blender face orientation only showing a few faces. No. Blender 4.4, yeah, that's what I'm using. In that version, face orientation has been changed to show the original color and only still highlight inside faces as red. Deleting faces or flip vertices to see if red faces show up. So that means from the inside you see oh, all the wrong stuff. But that's good. If I don't see red, that means it's good. If I would flip them, flip normals, then everything would be red. I think I still want the old behavior though. Oh, do I? Here, like, but generally it's okay, it's fine. What I wanted to do is... I wanted to check how it looks like if you put subdivision surface on this. Generate subdivision surface. It looks so weird. Look, everything is a lot smoother now. It's not as choppy as before. But also it lost like a lot of detail, kind of. Nah, I think we keep the original choppiness. You know, you can make things look a bit more smooth. There's always a struggle. No, but I think it would be weird. No, we keep the original. Sure, it could be a bit more smooth, but then we lose the connection. It would be more effort. It's okay. We can just keep the original low poly version. We don't need more polygons. It's the beauty. It's an art in its own, having something with such low poly still look that good. Okay, we have this time. How much more time do I have? Not too much. Not sure what I prefer. It's a own era. Yeah. It belongs that way. I think so. I'm never sure where I want to stop though. Wait, that's interesting. Why does it not... Ah, because I still didn't rename that. Yeah, my bad. My bad, my bad. Don't think we have any other longer chains of bones, no. Okay. Yeah, we'll leave it at this. I think I will stop the stream for now. We did some effort. We got some stuff done. Tomorrow I'll probably finish this up. Oh, and maybe some other characters as well. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day. And bye-bye.